Hi, I'm Brittany Gajewski from Samaritan Counseling of East Texas. I'm our clinical director here, and we've been noticing, certainly over the past few days, that our community is becoming increasingly anxious as things change hour to hour, moment by moment. And so here at Samaritan, we're pretty familiar with helping folks with anxiety. And I'd love to introduce you to one supported breathing technique that I enjoy using with my clients. So this mindful breathing technique has two components. One involves extending the exhale of each of our breaths. Whenever we're feeling anxious, we tend to really shorten our breaths, and sometimes the easiest way to have longer breaths is not to take a deeper breath in, but to extend our breath out. So that just sort of looks like this. Really extending that exhale as far as it will go. And when you take a breath in after that, usually your lungs are a little more open and you're able to take a deeper breath. Another helpful component can be targeting the areas of the body where anxiety lives. And for many of us, that's our chest and our bellies. So you might, when you're feeling anxious, feel a little tightness in your chest, even almost a bruising sensation over your heart sometimes. Or lots of people will talk about butterflies in their stomach, or even a little bit of nausea when anxiety gets pretty bad. So a supportive technique is just to target with hands those two areas of the body. So one hand on the abdomen and another hand over the heart. And just kind of experimenting with how much pressure feels good to you for your body. And so if we're putting those two components together, an extended exhale and hands supporting those areas of the body that are prone to feel anxiousness, it would look like this. Really extending that exhale. Letting your eyes be closed for concentration or open if it feels more comfortable to notice the room around you. And just taking as many breaths as you'd like, just like that. Usually, if we take about 10 to 15 supportive breaths, we can take a look at how we're feeling in terms of the depth or shallowness of our breathing, and also how that anxiousness is feeling in the body, and notice that it's dissipating some after 10, 15, 20 of those lengthened breaths that are supported with those two spots. So these two techniques can be used in combination or separately at home or wherever you are. And stay tuned for upcoming videos in the coming days from Samaritan Counseling of East Texas.